Today we are going to study derivation of partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary functions or function. Derivation of partial differential equation by the elimination of an arbitrary function. Derivation of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation by the elimination of an arbitrary function. By elimination of an arbitrary function. Derivation of partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary function. Let small u and small v be two functions of x, y, z connected by the relation phi of uv equal to 0. Phi of uv equal to 0. Where phi is an arbitrary function. Where phi is an arbitrary function. Derivation of partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary function u be the two functions of x, y, z connected by the relation phi of u equal to 0, and where phi is an arbitrary function. Our aim is to obtain the partial derivative by eliminating the given function phi. See, phi of u and v both are functions of x, y, z. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and y partially. Phi of u equal to 0, u and v both are functions of x, y, z. Z dependent variable. Both x and y are independent variable. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, we get here two equations. First, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x, we get phi of u equal to 0. I am going to differentiate that function. Dou phi by dou u first. Dou u by dou x, and dou x by dou x is 1. I am not going to write once again here. Then see, the phi is not directly function of x, y, z, and phi is function of u and v first, and u and v are functions of x, y, z. So dou phi by dou u first, because phi function first u, and u with respect to x we get dou u by dou x, and then dou x by dou x, and the value is 1. Next, otherwise I'm writing here dou u by dou y, and dou y by dou x is 0. So we get 0 here, plus dou u by dou z, and dou z by dou x, plus, this is with respect to u first, dou phi by dou u with respect to x, x with respect to x, and value is 1, dou u by dou y with respect to x, we get the value is 0, dou u by dou z by dou x, plus, similarly, dou phi by dou v with respect to v first, and then dou u by, dou phi by dou x by dou x again 1, plus dou v by dou y, and y with respect to x again 0, plus dou v by dou z by dou x, and value is equal to 0. RHS 0 and derivative of 0 is 0. Otherwise, I am writing here dou phi by dou u inside the bracket dou u by dou y, because dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x, and dou x by dou y value is 0. So I am not taking here. So dou u by dou y, and dou y by dou y, and value is 1, plus dou u by dou z, and dou z by dou y. जिथे x होता तिथे फक्त y आपण रिप्लेस करायला लागलो ते लक्षात असतं. Dou phi by dou u, plus similarly dou phi by dou v inside the bracket phi function of x y z and derivative with respect to y. So dou phi by dou x by dou y, and value of dou x by dou y is 0. So I am not taking that term here. And the next term is dou phi, check the result, dou v by dou y, and dou y by dou y again 1, plus, next tell me the value, dou v by dou z, and dou z by dou y. Instead of x, we get y here 0. Replace the standard value of this dou z by dou y again. Is it clear? Are you getting?
Yeah, sir.
I am replacing the value of dou z by dou y, and it is q. See, the value of dou z by dou y is q. So this equation can be put in the form here, dou phi by dou u inside the bracket dou u by dou y, plus q dou y by dou z, plus dou phi by dou v, again inside the bracket dou v by dou y, plus q dou v by dou z equal to 0, and equation number 3. See the equation 2 and 3. See equation 2, dou phi by dou u by dou x, plus p dou u by dou z, plus dou phi by dou v by dou x, plus p dou v by dou z equal to 0. Now eliminating, see here, dou phi by dou u, otherwise see the equation 2, dou phi by dou u. In equation 3, here dou phi by dou u, here dou phi by dou v in equation 2, and also in equation 3 dou phi by dou v. Our aim is to eliminate dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v from equation 2 and 3, and this is by using the determinant method. See the equation. Our aim is to eliminate dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v from both equation 2 and 3 by determinant method we get. Otherwise, I am writing here eliminating dou phi by dou u, eliminating dou phi by dou u, dou phi by dou v from equation 2 and 3 by the determinant method. By the determinant method, comma, we get. See equation 2 and equation 3. Put the coefficient of dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v in the determinant form. Otherwise, I am writing here from equation 2, the coefficient of dou phi by dou u is this bracket dou u by dou x plus p dou u by dou z, and the second, the coefficient of dou phi by dou v from equation 2, dou v by dou x plus p dou v by dou z, and from equation 3, the next row, the coefficient of dou phi by dou u is from equation 3 is dou u by dou y plus q dou u by dou z, and the second coefficient here dou v by dou y plus q dou v by dou z, and RHS equal to 0. So this determinant is not involving dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v. So this equation, after solving, we get equation without dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v. That is the elimination of dou phi by dou v and dou phi by dou u from equation 2 and 3 by the determinant. Are you getting this determinant? Only obtain the determinant by taking the coefficients. And solve by using the determinant of that. We know the 2 by 2 determinant, how to solve that 2 by 2 determinant. Up to this, is it clear? That implies dou u by dou x plus small p in one bracket, otherwise put this one bracket and this bracket and take the product. P dou u by dou z, and this coefficient dou v by dou y plus q dou v by dou z minus, again I'm taking u first here, dou u by dou y plus q dou u by dou z in one bracket, and here dou v by dou x plus small p dou v by dou z and equal to 0. Here I am taking first dou u by dou x plus p dou u by dou z in one bracket, multiply to the this coefficient dou v by dou y plus q dou v by dou z, put in the one bracket, minus I am taking first this and then this dou u by dou y plus q dou u by dou z into this coefficient dou v by dou x plus p dou v by dou z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4 terms. 4 minus 4. That implies first term dou u by dou x into dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y plus I am taking this is the first term p first and then q dou u by dou z. Not necessarily, we can put as a order and then interchange p dou u by dou z into this dou v by dou y plus q first and last q dou u by dou x and dou v by dou z. 1, 2, 3. See here, first into first or second into first of the second. P dou u by dou z plus dou v by dou y plus first and last q into dou u by dou x and dou v by dou z plus p into q from the last term of the first bracket, last term of the second bracket, p into q dou u by dou z and dou v by dou z minus here the same procedure, first into first dou u by dou y dou v by dou x 1 into this minus all these four terms are now minus because minus two whole brackets. So minus dou u by dou y first into last. Otherwise take p first of p first. P into dou u by dou y and then dou v by dou z minus q into this q dou u by dou z and dou v by dou x. Again minus this last and this last q into p. I am interchanging that again. P into q dou u by dou z and the dou v by dou z equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the last term from the first two brackets. That is the fourth term, and here the eighth term, and they are same with opposite sign. See here, this term and this term, they are opposite to each other, so they get cancelled, and we left with only 6 terms. And rearrange the term with the coefficient of p, coefficient of q, and remaining. See here, take this is the one term, 1, and take on the LHS first, remaining put on the RHS. It may be the symbol change. Otherwise, I am putting here that implies dou u by dou x, dou v by dou y minus dou u by dou y and dou v by dou x. UV take as a order, first u and then v, x y y x, and put in one bracket, which is equal to this is p and this is p. But here this is minus on the LHS, and on the RHS this is the first term. So dou u by dou y first, dou v by dou z minus, take p common from these two terms. Dou u by dou y, dou v by dou z first, p take outside, or dou u by dou z and dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou z and dou v by dou y, and p is common there. P plus, or take these two terms, with Q common. This is the minus, but on the RHS it is plus. So we take first that term, dou U by dou Z, dou V by dou X, minus, this is plus, on the RHS we get negative, so dou U by dou X, and this is dou V by dou Z with Q common. Rearranging the term with the coefficient of P, coefficient of Q, and remaining. And now interchange RHS and LHS. LHS is this, take on the RHS, and this is this into P, this into Q, but see the bracket. This is the Jacobian of U with respect to IZ. And I am taking on the LHS. This is Jacobian of UV with respect to, otherwise, instead of that, I am taking here, dou UV by dou YZ. This is the actual definition of the Jacobian. Dou UV by dou YZ into P plus, what is this? U with respect to Z, V with respect to X. So, dou UV with respect to Z first and then with respect to X. The order, UV with respect to YZ, UV with respect to ZX, and which is equal to, this is LHS, but I am taking on the RHS, and the value of that is, or take this derivative UV with respect to X and Y. So first X and then Y. This is the main partial differential equation, and which can be put in the form of following. The above equation, otherwise the below equation now. This equation can be written as if P, small p as it is, and whatever is coefficient to P, I am denoted it by capital P notation. P containing U, V, X, Y, Z, or I, Z. Capital P into small p. Here, whatever it may be the value of, 1 minute, here Q is missing, small q. P, Q, and remaining. So, coefficient of small p we denote by capital P, and it is function of X, Y, Z. Again, whatever it may be the value of coefficient of Q, I am denoting it by capital Q. And whatever it may be the value on the RHS, we denote it by capital R. Otherwise, mention this is equation number 2. I think already we have denoting it to any other number. 2, 3 already, and denote it by 4. And this is the required partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary function phi from the given equation number 1, phi of u v equal to 0.